Welcome back to Fluize. Here's the plan. This is your basic module, Level 1, Lesson 4. Today, feelings. How are you? You learn English by listening, like a child. No grammar, no fear. First, the keywords. Then a little story. You hear it again and again, every day this week. Repeat out loud. Copy my voice. And at the end, the same story in the present and the past. So, relax, listen, repeat. Subscribe to unlock the free basic module. Ready? Let's go. Chapter 1. The key words. Listen and repeat out loud after me. First, the keywords. Before our story, listen and feel them. Say them with me, big and happy. How are you? You ask a friend about their feelings. How are you? I'm fine. I'm good. I'm great. Friendly answers. I'm great, thank you. Happy and sad, tired, hungry. These are feelings. I'm happy. I'm tired. I'm hungry. He is. She is. He is tired. She is happy. And it joins two things. I'm tired and hungry. Great. Now you feel the words. Let's hear them in a little story. Chapter 2, the main story. Now, just relax and listen. Don't translate, only feel it. Hi, welcome back. Big smile, let's go. How are you today? Are you happy? Are you tired? Let's learn feelings. How are you? You ask this to a friend. The answer, I'm fine. I'm good. I'm happy. That is I am. I'm happy. I'm tired. I'm hungry. Say it with me. I'm happy. I'm tired. For example, Tom works all day. Now Tom is tired. Tom says, I'm tired. And Tom is hungry too. I'm hungry. Mia sees Tom. How are you, Tom? Tom says, I'm tired and hungry. How are you? Mia says, I'm great. I'm happy today. Happy, sad, tired, hungry, good. These are feelings. How are you right now? Say it. I'm happy. Listen again and again. Deep learning. Chapter 3, the most important one, the mini story. I ask, you answer out loud. Big smile. Sit up, shoulders back. Breathe. Ready? Answer out loud. Your turn. This is Tom. Tom works all day. Now Tom is very, very tired. Does Tom work all day? Is Tom tired or happy? A little tired or very tired? Yes, Tom works all day. And he is very, very tired. Oh, and a problem. Tom is hungry too. So hungry. But the kitchen is empty. No food. Is there a problem? Is Tom hungry or full? Is there food or no food? Yes, Tom is so hungry. And there's no food. The kitchen is empty. Then Mia comes. Mia asks, Tom, how are you? I'm tired and hungry, says Tom. Who comes, Mia or Lucy? What does Mia ask? Mia comes, and she asks, how are you? Mia smiles a big smile. Tom, I have pizza. Hot, yummy pizza. Does Mia have pizza or soup? Is Tom happy now? Pizza! Mia has pizza. Yum! Now Tom eats the pizza. Tom is not tired now. Tom is not hungry now. Tom is happy! Hooray! Does Tom eat the pizza? Is Tom hungry now or happy? Yes! Now Tom is happy. Thank you, Mia. Hooray! That's the end of the mini story. Listen again and again. Deep learning, deep learning. Last chapter. The same story, in the present and the past. Just feel the change. Every day, Tom works and gets tired. He is hungry. Mia brings pizza. Tom is happy. Yesterday, Tom was tired and hungry. Mia came. She had pizza. Tom was happy. Hey, before you go, let's build this together. Hit subscribe and like to help us unlock the whole basic module for free. Every new subscriber gets us closer. 100, 500, 1,000. And tell me, comment your country. See you in the next lesson. Keep flowing.